Wyspell Large Witchcraft Kit Review. A must-have for Wiccans? For anyone delving into witchcraft, whether a curious beginner or a seasoned practitioner, having the right tools can make all the difference. The Wyspell Large Witchcraft Kit promises to be a comprehensive set, filled with 65 pieces of herbs, crystals, candles, salts, and altar essentials to help craft spells, set intentions, and elevate spiritual practice. But does it truly live up to the hype? This Wyspell Large Witchcraft Kit review takes a closer look to determine if it is a must-have for Wiccans. First impressions. Unboxing the magic. When the Wyspell Large Witchcraft Kit arrived, the packaging immediately stood out. The sturdy magnetic box with gold stamping gives it a high-quality feel, making it ideal for both personal use and gifting. Unlike some witchcraft kits that come in flimsy packaging, this one feels like a well-crafted collection of mystical tools. Upon opening the box, it was clear that each item was carefully selected. The variety of items was visually striking, and everything appeared to be thoughtfully arranged rather than randomly placed. This first impression suggested that the kit was curated with purpose, rather than being a generic assortment of items. What's inside? A breakdown of the 65-piece kit. The Wyspell Large Witchcraft Kit includes a diverse range of supplies designed for spell work, altar setup, and spiritual exploration. Here is a breakdown of what is inside. 12 witch herbs including lavender, rosemary, mugwort, and chamomile, commonly used for purification, protection, and manifestation. 12 crystals and spell jars and 5 healing stones, featuring classic stones like amethyst, clear quartz, and rose quartz, each serving different spiritual and magical purposes. 12 spell candles and 2 holders, ideal for candle magic, ritual work, and manifestation spells. Black salt and pink Himalayan salt for protection, cleansing, and banishing negativity. Obsidian pendulum and divination board, used for spiritual guidance and divination practices. Velvet altar cloth, bowl, bell, and spoon, essential for setting up a sacred space. Notebook and 12 parchments, useful for writing spells, intentions, and journaling experiences. With freshly dried herbs, natural stones, and well-crafted accessories, the kit is well-rounded and appears to be designed with serious practitioners in mind. Quality check. Are the materials authentic? One of the most important aspects of any witchcraft kit is the quality of the materials. A closer inspection of the Wyspell Large Witchcraft Kit revealed the following. The herbs are fresh and aromatic, not stale or powdered beyond recognition. The crystals are natural, not synthetic imitations, with unique shapes and textures. The candles burn steadily without excessive dripping, making them reliable for spell work. The obsidian pendulum is authentic, providing strong grounding and protective energy. For the price, the quality of the materials exceeded expectations, making it a solid investment for those serious about their craft. Who is this kit best for? This kit is well suited for beginners exploring witchcraft, as it provides essential tools to start casting spells and learning about magical correspondences. Intermediate practitioners, since the variety of herbs, stones, and altar tools make it a convenient all-in-one set. Anyone looking for a thoughtful witchy gift, due to its elegant packaging and well-curated contents. Witches who appreciate organization, as everything comes neatly packed for easy storage and transport. However, for those who already own a large collection of witchcraft tools, this kit may not add much to an existing setup. Any downsides? While the Wyspell Large Witchcraft Kit is an excellent all-in-one set, there are a few minor drawbacks. No essential oils or incense, which some practitioners might expect in a complete witchcraft kit. Basic guidebook, which is helpful for beginners but may not provide much new information for experienced users. Limited variety of candles, as it includes only 12 colors, so additional candles may be needed for specific rituals. These are minor issues and do not significantly impact the overall value of the kit. Final verdict. Is it worth it? After using the Wyspell Large Witchcraft Kit, it is clear that this is one of the best all-in-one witchcraft kits available. The combination of high-quality materials, thoughtful curation, and beautiful packaging makes it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced Wiccans. For those looking for a versatile and well-made witchcraft kit to enhance their spiritual practice or give as a gift, this one is highly recommended. Final rating: 4.85. Where to buy the Wyspell Large Witchcraft Kit? This kit is available for purchase on Amazon and through select metaphysical retailers. Due to its high demand and positive reviews, it is advisable to order soon before it sells out. Click the link in the description to purchase the Wyspell Large Witchcraft Kit on Amazon today.